Hello students, here we have another question stating that position vector of a moving object at time t is given by this meter. Displacement between 1 second and 2 second is. So as they have asked specifically the displacement between 1 second and 2 second, we need to find the position vector for each of these time frames separately. So let's do that. We'll calculate position vector for 1 second and 2 second. Let's move on with the solution, guys. According to the solution, we'll find our position vector first at 1 second. We'll follow this equation. So this will become 3 into t, that will be 1 in this case, I cap plus 2 into t squared, that is will be 1 squared, j cap minus t squared, that will be 1 squared, k cap meter. So if we solve this, we'll get 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 1k cap meter. Now similarly, we'll do the same for 2 second. Our position vector at 2 second will be equal to 3 into 2i cap plus 2 into 2 squared j cap minus 2 squared k cap meter. If you solve this, we'll get 6i cap plus 8j cap minus 4k cap meter. Now we are asked to find the displacement, which can be easily found. So let's move on to the calculating displacement, which we will do in our solution. We'll use the formula. This is not a formula. This is basically we are finding the change in the displacement or the position vectors that can be represented by delta r, that will be equal to r2 second minus r1 second. We can directly do the minus. Here we can write 6 minus 3i cap plus 8 minus 2j cap and plus minus 4. Minus of minus 1 will become plus 1 k cap meter. So our answer will come as 3i cap plus 6 j cap minus 3 k cap meter. Let's see which option fits our answer. Option number 4 seems to fit our answer. Let's tally with our answer sheet. Our answer is absolutely correct, option number 4.